Hello and welcome to Mickey Art. My name is Michelle Edhouse and today I am testing these paints again. I said in a previous video that I was going to have a look at the transparency, and I came up with a way I could do that. Now all of these paints are mixed, pre-mixed, and what I thought I would do as my way of testing, if I can find my black, is just put a layer of black onto this bit of card so that we've got white and black next to each other, just like that. Alright. Oh, ding dong. Oh, no limitations pour challenge. 3 new photos added. Whee! Awesome! And what I thought I would do is just grab this little tray and put some paint just side by side. Oh, I should have taken all the lids off. Oh, that was silly, Michelle. Take all the lids off now. And I'm just going to put a little bit of each colour. You can see how transparent that yellow is just even there. Look how you can see right through it. Alright, and then, come on yellow, you can do this. I'm just going to pour like that. And leave that to dry, and that's my test. See how that is, how it comes out, what it looks like, and I'm going to leave that to dry just like that, and I'll be back once it's dry. This is one of my super quick videos. How does it get any better than that? Bye. So this is dried, and definitely with the yellow you can see massively that the transparency difference. The blue's definitely a little bit darker but not hugely, and the purple's definitely a little bit darker but not hugely as well. So with the silver, nah, that is completely solid there, I would say. So there you go, guys. That is a quick test on how you can check the transparency, especially if you're doing what I do and painting a lot on records. So, how to check transparency. Yay! Thanks for joining me, and what else is possible now? Bye-bye.